like for real, I used to say I won't explain how I feel.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, Makeup by Carrie. For those of you who are new, please subscribe, turn on post notifications so you don't miss out anything at all. Today, guys, I'm going to be doing an unboxing video for Boxycharm. Before I do that, I just want to mention really quick because a few people have asked about my colored contacts. I am wearing yellow green contacts and I got it from ttdi.com. I'll put it here in the description box. And I love it, you guys. It's really comfortable. You can wear it up to a year. You can also use my promo code if you want to get some money off, which is Carrie. So yeah, let me jump into the video. So yeah, I am now on the PR list for Boxycharm and I am too excited. I've never had anything from Boxycharm before. So I was like, let me just bust open this baby in front of you guys and we're all going to see what's in here together. So I'm just going to take out everything. That's it. So let's see what we got. So I got this cute little card. It says Boxy Bash. It has like a QR code, their website, promos and giveaways, all that good kind of stuff on here. But let's get into the makeup because I know y'all waiting for that. So let's see. So the first thing I'm going to open is this baby. We don't know what it is yet, but we're going to all see together. So this is a Pure Sculptor. That's what it says, Pure Sculptor. And it has contour powders and highlighters. And to be honest with you, it smells great. Like, it's a mixture. I think I just got some highlight on my nose. It's a mixture of, it smells like a mixture of brand new sneakers, that good, fresh, brand new sneaker smell, and like chocolate or hot chocolate. It smells great, but this is it. And I'm going to swatch it really quick. So I'm going to do this one first. You can't really see it because I'm already kind of dark in that color already. But yeah, I know you guys want to see me swatch the highlighter, so let me do that. So this is the top one. And that's how that one looks. And then the bottom one. The bottom one I like, and just to be fancy, I think I might just put it on right now. I did my makeup kind of bare and natural just in case I got something that I would try out for you guys. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to pop on a little bit of highlight real quick. Let's see. So I'm going to use the color Trailblazer. And also what I'm going to use, since I got it in here, is an Aesthetica P12 brush. So girl, let's get this highlight popping just real quick. All right. So I don't know if you guys can see me because I'm not lit up today, but oh yeah, honey. I know everybody love them some good old highlighters. Look, let me move this here so we can see. That's pretty. That's really pretty. I like how, like, from the front, it doesn't give you that shadow cast. You know when you put on a highlighter and then from the front, it looks like it's cut off right where you put the highlighter and it looks like a shadow kind of casting. It doesn't do that. Like, from the front, it's still highlighted, if you guys can see what I'm saying. Let me just add it to the other side so I'm not, like, mismatch or anything. I always have, like, a problem applying my highlighters great on this side. I don't know. Maybe because I'm right-handed and it's just better on the other side, but I'm glowing now. I'm going to put some here. Just go. This is really pretty. I think I might have went overboard down there. I think this is a really pretty highlighter. It's really on the cooler side, like silvery or whatever, and that's the darkest one in there, but it's still very pretty and I like it. So holla. Mad cheesy, but I'm gonna leave that in there. Y'all gonna be like, if she's a cornball. Let's see what else we have. So we have more brushes from Aesthetica. Y'all, I feel so slow. I'm like, is it Aesthetica or Aesthetica? I don't want to sound stupid, but I have some more brushes from them, and this is more so for the eye area. Like, it's a real skinny eyeliner brush, like this one right here. Like, I love these because when you need to get your lash, yeah. Oh Lord, fun almost came off with that one. Yeah, one of the skinny brushes for your eyeliner. And then they gave me a spoolie and an angled brush. So this is dope. You know, this is all for this here and this here. I'm going to use that. And what I'm going to use that for real quick, just to try it out, is, first of all, let me just say, this is so freaking dope and pretty. It says Pretty Vulgar, and this is some Blacklist gel liner, and it's the ink. This is dope. Like, it just reminds me of like vintage. When I see this, I think of like Snow White in a cabin somewhere, you know, when they were writing with the little feather pens. This is so cute, and I kind of almost don't want to use it. If I'm going to use it though. But when I'm finished with it, I'm keeping this jar because this is so cute. And I have a thing for, like, I feel, you know, when people say like you lived a previous life before, I feel like my previous life before was way back in the day somewhere in one of those little cottages. Because when I see stuff like this, I feel like at home. It just warms my heart. That's weird. I know some people will get it, some people won't, but I'm just speaking the truth, okay? So I'm going to try out this gel liner real quick. Now, I probably shouldn't because I have on plain makeup and I don't want to, like, ruin what I have going on, especially if it doesn't come out right. I'm scared. I don't know. Let me test it out on my hand first. It's really cream. Let me see how creamy it is. Let me get a good amount on my brush before I start judging. Yeah, it's official. This is official. Official tissue is nice and easy. It glides real soft. But I'm not going to put it on right now because I don't want to ruin my look. A wing does not always come out the best for me. And then I'm going to be talking in the rest of this video real lopsided. And girl, I ain't trying to have it, okay? We have Boxycharm by Beauty Creations Matte Lip Gloss. And this is in the color Sweetheart. So since I have on a pretty nude lip and it's glossy, it's going to be easy to wipe off. So I'll try this on for you guys right now. Hold on. Okay, so let's get it popping. It smells like a lip. It has a sweet candy-like smell to it. It might sound weird, but I never heard of a matte lip gloss. I've heard of a matte lipstick because when I think of lip gloss, I think of shine. And then when you hear matte, you think of dried out and matte. So I never heard of a matte lip gloss, but that's what it says. Well, it's applying like a lipstick. It's not like thick like a gloss, and it's not drying really crazy like a matte lipstick either. So it's easy to apply. It's full coverage. It's a pretty color. Actually, it looks better than the it looks better with my look and everything than the last color that I just had on. I didn't put on any lip liner, just show off the lipstick. Okay, so it's on. Now, the color is pretty. I really do like the color. I keep looking at myself in the mirror. You probably see the mirror right here sitting here, but I like it. I like the color. This color is bomb. You like this color?
Yeah.
It's pretty, right? Yeah, this color is really pretty. So what I would do is oh, this is like a real pretty color. I actually love this color. I think this is my favorite color. Like, I'm looking at it like, girl, yes, I love this color. But what I'm going to do is I'm just going to wear a gloss on top of it. And just wear it like a glossy color versus like this because it's kind of sticky. But it's cute though. So, excuse me. The last thing in my little Boxycharm box is this Cover FX Blurring Primer. Now, I'm going to absolutely love to get into this one. It says a blurring primer that instantly minimizes the appearance of pores and fine lines to create a super smooth, flawless airbrush look. It's summertime. I have greasy pores. I have large pores in this area. I know it's going to try to start popping through and scaring people and all that. So I'm going to really try to work magic with this thing. I can't wait to try it. Let me just kind of rub a little bit and just see what the texture is like. So it has like a skin toned nudish color. It's very thick, which I like. And I can see exactly why it's called blurring smooth skin pore minimizing and all of that, because it's thick and it kind of like just rubs into the creases. So I think that this will be really, really great. Makeup should stick to it fine, and I'm probably going to use this in my next look, on my next tutorial, and let you guys know how it is. Make sure to follow me on Instagram at @makeupbycarrie_, so that way if I don't post a video on YouTube, you can be up to date with everything makeup, because I also post there often, okay? So make sure to follow me on Instagram as well. So far that is everything from my Boxycharm box. I just want to thank Boxycharm. Thank you so freaking much. It's super amazing. It feels really great to be on a PR list, because it just feels like you're being noticed finally. So I'm super happy with this stuff. This is my new color. Let me get a gloss and it's gonna be my day, honey. That don't even make no sense, but it sounds good. So yeah, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Comment down below if you haven't done so already. And thank you for watching, guys. Love you. Bye.